What's up, guys? Your boy Freddy back with another video, guys. In this video, you guys will get to see who the new giveaway winner is of the lifted C71 Silverado on 24x14 American Force wheel. But now, guys, that's over. We picked the winner. He's choosing the truck over the cash, and this is our new giveaway. Right here, this 2017 Silverado on airbags. Now, we're gonna disclose everything that's done to the truck on a future video, but guys, right now, essential for you guys to go pick up merch right now, because tonight at midnight, today, Sunday at midnight, is the deadline for 30 times century. So go over there, pick up some merch. Every $10 you spend gives you 30 times centuries to win this truck or $20,000 in cash. Good luck to everybody, guys. Like I said, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment, because we're giving shout outs to everybody that comments on these videos. Thanks for watching again, and subscribe. Venga, meeting time, meeting time.
Important meeting.
Important meeting, important meeting.
Safety meeting, safety meeting.
Safety meeting. Ven para acá, Vargas, vale. Hay un pedito. ¿Eh?
Esos me gustan a mí. Espérame tantito.
Ah, pinche borrachales. Espérese.
Órale.
Vargas, párate acá, vale. Yo sé que andas chingas siempre. A ver, alright, guys. Guys, hoy vamos a anunciar el giveaway winner. Pero ya que anunciamos el giveaway winner, ¿qué vamos a hacer?
You gotta translate for Key.
Eh?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Alright, Keith, so after we announce the giveaway winner, what you think we're gonna do?
Go back to California.
Negative.
Too
Something
far.
even better. Mira lo que tengo aquí.
Oh, wow.
¿Eh?
Bunch of
100.
balloons.
200.
No, güey, qué verga, son 465.
Oh shit, I thought it was 100.
Pues ahí dice
100 balloons.
in 60.
I guess in 60 seconds.
Really? Whatever it is. Vamos a llenar 2 coolers full of balloons. We gonna make 2 teams. Some on that side, some on this side. Today's gonna be the day to get out what you got in you. If you're angry at somebody, you make sure you hit that motherfucker with one of these balloons.
Ponte la máscara.
Usted va a tener mi equipo. No. JR, opposite team. Porque yo ya traemos ahí algo.
Jerry, tú vas a ser los captains.
Ajá, JR y yo vamos a ser los captains.
Bueno, escojo a Darwin y a Vargas.
No, ya dije, es de 1 por 1. Vargas para acá.
Karim, ¿estás fuerte? Karim.
Darwin, ya dijo usted Darwin.
Por eso, pues tú ya dijiste
Es 1 y 1.
1 y 1, sigo yo.
Ok.
So,
Yo escogí a Vargas y luego usted Darwin.
No, primero escogí yo a Darwin, luego tú escogiste. Ahora sigo yo.
Oscarita iban a dar el menos 5.
Yo de todos los pinches.
Keith, you're on my side. You're on my team.
So I got to pick last, huh?
No, Woody actually got pick last.
I'm holding the camera.
Well, he got pick last.
Oh, falta este ketchup.
Sí, pues sigue.
Falta
Ya
el
somos 3 y 3.
3 y 3, falta Cacho.
Y Woody.
Woody, el tío si le quiere entrar.
Un vergazo de
Ahorita lo que vamos a poner a hacer, a llenarlos en lo que ustedes acaban aquí. Y se me alistan porque se van a ir empapados.
Y iba a estar con
Mira,
Vargas.
Vargas tiene ganas de tirarse la verga. Vamos a calar la verga. ¡Sas! El orgasmo.
Para que me peguen, va a estar cabrón, hombre. Vamos a ver.
Bueno, ya está, ya saben lo que les espera. Get ready. Let's fill these puppies up with some water. It's game on. Muñeño, you're gonna help me.
Dale, vámonos. 800, 920 y tanto.
Jump into refreshing fun without the stress of filling and trying water balloons manually. Just connect a bunch of balloons to a water source and make hundreds of self-sealing water balloons in minutes. Our stems and caps are made from certified and traceable recycled plastic. And our balloons are made from the natural latex rubber, so join us in playing our way to a better future.
I love it. That's a big ass work.
Yeah, I know, right? You're gonna do 100 with water and 100 with tequila, right?
It's summertime, guys. It's time to have fun.
Take a rusty bottle cap to the eye. That'd be nice.
They should just fill up and then fall off on their own.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
No, let them fall. They gotta fall so they can hold.
They're gonna explode and shoot you with water, right?
No. They fall off on their own.
Yeah, they just go.
¿Cómo hace cuando ellos se cierran solos?
Sí,
tienen una liga.
liga.
Well, we're finna waste a lot of water.
And that's 400 each.
Yeah, way! Órale! They're all breaking!
I think we overfilled it a little too much.
Oh,
Va,
A ver, open it, Keith.
mira.
you ready?
Verga, de todos esos nomás pinche 8.
A ver, vamos a darle un
You got a
test.
break in your hand? Yeah.
Avéntala ya, avéntala ya. No, da que se voltee. Dale. Tiene buena puntería este güey.
Boy, you better watch out. I'm telling you, you're on the
I'm going
opposite
after you.
Oh.
team. You ready, Francisco?
¿Cuántos faltan? Verga, faltan un vergas. They're gonna go by quick though. Oh damn, looks badass. You ready, Omar?
Oh no, I don't want to.
Oh no, my vagina hurts.
I'm gonna get a cold. It's not good.
Oh, that was a good one. ¿Le va a entrar el fuego o no? Sí.
¿Sí?
¿Le entra? Nos van a hacer dos equipos. Ven, ya se armó.
Rest on a smooth, non-abrasive surface or in water to fill. Fill to this size. That's the size. That size. This size.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much one pack, but we have one last one. On this one, we're gonna test the theory. We're gonna see what it does when you hook it up to an air compressor and blow it up. Will they just fly off or are they gonna pop? Hey, venga pa' acá! We're gonna see what it does when you fill them up with an air compressor. 130 PSI. Let's see what it does.
Ah, come on!
Goddamn, kid, you got
They do pop. They don't fly
Kid,
off.
you made a mess.
No way.
Damn.
Avienten uno para que practiquen, vale. ¿Tú qué, güey? ¿Tú qué? ¿Qué pinche pedo? ¿Qué Omar tiene su propio equipo.
We're having a Mexican
No le avienten.
standoff right now.
Mira, son 4 contra 1.
Sí, vale.
Ay.
Está colgado.
Ya, esa no es una probadita. Alright, so we already had picked Marcus is my team, Garrett was team captain, he got Darwin, Oscar, and then I got Woody, and then I got Keith. That's my team. No, that's good. Hey, okay, come on, let's come over here, everybody, get together. Oh, you want to be on your own team? Because we can do something on your own team. Look at it, will be so good. Don't worry about it. Every single one of those will hit you in the blue.
Tienes que pararte chingón, como que si eres Tamaulipas. Cárgale, madre, jálale nomás.
They got Oscar. You can't be running like that.
¡A la verga! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh
¡Nos van a pegar el mero culo!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
¡Mire!
Shoot!
on. Hit it.
No, it's safe.
Throw it, Tammy, throw it.
Throw it at me. Throw it.
I only got hit right here, and I think in my back. Espérate, güey. Yeah, that was badass. More challenges to come this year.
Exercise.
Guys, now it's time to announce the giveaway winner. It's time is serious. Serious time is here. I'm fucking tired waiting up. Alright guys, so it's time to announce the winner. Everybody can show us. So guys, ahí está todo. Guys, ahí están todos los nombres de la gente que entró. You already know. Alright. That's just right there. Look how small it's moving. It's not even gone through half of the names. So it's a bunch of names, guys. 5%. So good luck to everybody that entered. Right now, we're gonna bring the upcoming giveaway. Y'all already got the truck on and ready to come in here?
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think?
Guys, comment down below what truck you think is gonna be our next giveaway. If you're watching this video right now on YouTube, you probably already know. So I can't even answer that question. How do you feel, Keith, being all wet? Cold. Is that your first time playing water balloons?
No. Second time.
¿Cómo se siente ya? ¿Tanto mojado?
Todo mojado. Ya habíamos ganado, no acabar le sacó la manguera. Y ahí ha perdido, quiso ganar.
Es que esa es una bazooka, es la bazooka ya.
Pasó.
Para la otra vamos a comprar pistola.
perder, hombre!
Chinga.
¡Nomás llora!
Ya había perdido, ¿no?
Hey.
Ya parece un camarada por
Hey,
acá.
casi se siente como que anda, cuando anda en la lancha que anda todo mojado así.
Eso sí, un chapuzón.
Res. Okay guys, so ahora sí ve. Let's pick the name of the winner. So this one is the name of the winner who won the truck. Click it. There it is, guys. There it is.
The bubble.
There it is, guys. There it is.
Did it do it?
Yeah. Go down.
Scroll down.
Damn it.
Jamil.
Hussein.
What? Is it a girl?
I don't know.
If somebody just won this lifted truck, hopefully it's a girl, that way we give her the 15,000 cash and keep the truck to do off-road stuff. Somebody's taking this badass 4x4 lifted on 24x14 American Force wheels with the 5.3 long tube headers, custom headliner with stars, badass sound system. Guys, somebody's taking this truck home. And if they don't want the truck, they can take $15,000 cash. Jamel, we're gonna contact them and yeah. Huh? Oh, yeah, we never sent to that city? What city is it?
Tennessee.
Oh, all the way from Tennessee. All right, now. Tennessee. All right, guys. So we got the number.
Hello?
Yeah, con Jamil.
Yeah.
¿Qué onda, cuz? You speak Spanish?
Yo.
¿Qué onda, cuz?
No way.
You know what you
Swear.
Huh?
Swear.
Bro, you're getting the call. Nobody else is.
Swear.
Bro, you're the winner of the lifted C71 Silverado on 24x14 American Force wheels.
You're lying.
Negative. You're the winner.
What?
Yes, sir. So how do you feel? You're on camera right now. What do you gotta say to the people that are watching us on the live right now?
Bro, I don't even know what to say right now, bro.
Damn it, boy. So where are you from?
Tennessee.
Tennessee? What part of Tennessee?
Smyrna.
Damn it, boy. So what did you buy?
I bought the Project Torch sticker and the bag single cab shirt.
Damn. Bro, so you just won a truck from buying one shirt and one decal. How does that feel?
That's crazy.
Holy macaroni. So you know how we sometimes offer money. I don't know if you're interested in taking any type of form of money over the truck, or you want the truck.
You think I can like think about it, or
You can think about it, but it'd be nice if you can let us know here right here for the people on the live and on the video. So it's $15,000 in cash or the truck.
I'm gonna have to choose the truck?
Damn it, boy. Okay, so if you change your mind, just let me know. I mean, I'll be glad to take the truck off your hands. It's a badass truck. But if not, then you are the winner of the truck. How old are you?
Nah, like I just turned 19.
19-year-old. A 19-year-old. Bro, you're gonna be riding clean in this truck. C71 lifted with badass rod guys, badass system done by Vargas, and badass headliner by Speedy Headliner. Badass sound system, of course. Keep that down. 4x4 lifted. What else can you want out there in Tennessee?
Single cab.
Single cab.
Hell yeah.
It's gonna be chilling on the dirt roads, brother.
Damn it, Bob. Can you sing us that Tennessee whiskey song? Can you sing that Tennessee whiskey song?
I don't know no Tennessee whiskey song, man.
No, yes, not cause we'll be contacting you later on, and we are gonna get your information so we can send you the truck. But for the people that don't believe that we give these trucks away, what do you got to say to them?
I don't know, man. I'm speechless right now.
Come on, say something for the people that think we don't really give away these trucks.
Man, they just gotta buy a sticker or something.
But is this real? Did you really win this truck, or is it? You know what I'm saying? Or is this boo?
It's real.
It's real. There it is, guys.
Yeah.
Any one of you could watching right now could win this truck. If you're watching this on the YouTube, you could win a truck from us. All you gotta do is pick up merch right now. We're doing 30 times entries. I know people are watching. And then on the video, first comment has a link to the website. Go shop. You're still gonna get a shirt even if you don't win. So you can either get entered and get a shirt and a truck possibly, or get entered and still get your shirt. You know what I'm saying? So it's a win-win situation for you guys. So all right, bro, we'll appreciate it. And what was your name again? Jamil. Okay, that's not because we'll be contacting you throughout the week. That way we make arrangements for us to ship out the truck and deliver it to your doorstep. We don't need, you know what I'm saying? We don't need you to move your schedule for nothing. We're gonna take the truck exactly to your doorstep so you can have a badass truck to drive.
All right.
Yes, Taco, appreciate it.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
Thanks for repping the brand.
For sure.
Órale, cut. Damn. Esa huevo.
Se rayó,
chavo.
19 years old.
Damn it, boy.
I'm jealous.
You can't get into. What you think, Woody?
That's badass.
Damn it, boy. For the people that are watching us on the live stream, go ahead and review what the new giveaway is. Darwin! Oh, damn it, boy! Damn it, boy! Favorite of all time trucks. And that's exactly one. That right there is exactly one. I feel bad giving this truck away because I really wanted to keep it. We can't keep all the nice stuff for ourselves and give you guys what we don't want. We're gonna give you guys the best of the best, and we'll keep the ugly trucks because, you know, I got all the 9906 I do. So you guys are taking the best of the best that we got out here, Project Toruqe Garage, which is this truck. It's on backs, 26s all around, badass interior. Of course, we're gonna do a badass sound system, 5.3, tugged out, laying frame. What else do you guys ask? So guys, get entered. Comment down below if you're watching this on YouTube. Where's this truck gonna go? Where's the winner of this truck gonna be at? But I tell you what, I'm sad but happy at the same time that somebody out there in Tennessee, a city that we haven't never sent a truck to a state, now they're gonna have a piece of us here at Project Toruqe out there in their state. Red Pin Project Toruqe, we're gonna put the placazo in the back and everything else, guys. So this is a work of art. This truck could go to any show and win a trophy. At least top 30. But yeah, guys, so thanks for watching. Subscribe on the YouTube channel if you're watching this. If you're watching over here, comment down below what city this upcoming giveaway is going to. And good luck to everybody. Let's get it. Catch a video? Let's get it. JR Fat? Let's get it. Darwin, let's get it. Vargas, let's get it. Keith, let's get it. Turbo, let's get it. Camila, let's get it.